Pardus side-by-side shotguns are available only in 12 gauge, single or double trigger. Auto ejector is also available, but only in single trigger system. Here is a nice 26-inch double barrel side-by-side with a side plate decoration, fully hand engraved one. Auto ejector, as you can see here, nice. It's a round knob grip area over here, walnut stock with oil finish, very nice for covering. Sunken rip can be also with high rip, can be black finish as well. The auto ejector one also can be finished regular design without a side plate. Here is a single trigger again, black finish extractor with a high rip. See here, with a front bead extractor, all in black walnuts. Can be oil finish, glossy finish or matte finish. Very nice recoil pad over here. They are nice toys. The barrel lengths can be as short up to the end of the forearm, as short that will be about 11 inches. Nice toys. Pardus side-by-side series. This is the DE model with auto ejector, 12 gauge, with a hand engraved nicely side plate, fully silver, with a round knob for covering, nice checkering on the wood, a sunken rip, and with a yellow bead on the barrel. Just we'll have a shooting to show you the auto ejectors and simply the functioning of the gun. So, safety on, go. Side-by-side series comes with auto ejector, also with extractor models in 12 gauge only. Also double triggers are available for extractor models.